Yep. Oh, I don't know if I can do that. We've been here for close to an hour already, and we're still just vacuuming, doing corners and edges. Really important to, we feel, to the overall cleanliness is the attention to detail. Corners and edges is where most people just brush over. And actually, the mere fact that we vacuum is huge, but I don't know if you can notice, but there's a lot of dirt. I mean, that's a significant amount. And all that would have been just basically turned to mud if we got it wet, but not really mud, because I mean, the machine will suck it up, but this is just that much clearer it gets.